These little animals exhibit something called neoteny. That means that they can retain their juvenile features for life, unlike other amphibians and, of course, humans. I wish we could do that actually. They don't undergo full metamorphosis, and yeah, that's what I was saying. They're like forever young. And they are living entirely underwater in the lakes and canals of Xochimilco, a UNESCO World Heritage Site near Mexico City. And there's a lot of things about these guys, and like, well, axolotls can actually regenerate almost any body part, like, yeah, almost any limbs, their heart, even some parts of their brain without even scarring. That's, oh my god, that's amazing. I wish we could do that. And scientists too, because they have studied them for decades, hoping to unlock secrets that could like help revolutionize, I think it's human medicine. But yet, despite like their superhero abilities, axolotls are fighting a losing battle in the wild. That's why I'm breaking it down with this podcast. And yeah, let's talk more about that. There's a doctor, I think, in the UNAM, National Autonomous University of Mexico. His name is Dr. Luis Zambrano in English. He's a biologist, and he says this. He explains a lot of things about axolotls, and he said, lose the axolotl and the entire ecosystem unravels, because these creatures are bioindicators. Their health reflects the health of their environment. When axolotls vanish, it's a red flag that the water is polluted. Invasive species are taking over and biodiversity is crashing. And these are my words, because it has crashed. In the 90s, I think, there were around 6,000 axolotls per square kilometer in Xochimilco. Okay, this side, this that we talked about. And today, some studies estimate fewer than 35 individuals remain in the wild. But how is it possible? Like, how did we get here? You know? Well, these little creatures are becoming extinct primarily due to habitat loss. Of course, because of us, like human development, pollution, and climate change. Besides this, overfishing and the introduction of invasive species further threaten their survival in the wild. So, yeah, it's like a weird thing that, of course, us humans are killing all the species in the world. It's not a surprise, of course, it is not. And, well, as I said, the overfishing, the habitat loss, it's like completely killing all of the axolotls in here. So yeah, because we had in the 90s 6,000 and now we have fewer than 35. How is that even possible? And well, of course, axolotls also play a crucial role in nutrient cycling within their aquatic environment. As they feed on small fish, insects, and crustaceans, they can help control these populations. So they prevent overgrowth that can lead to imbalances in the ecosystem. And by the way, you can find all of this information in Google. I found this in the web of National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM. And well, that's it. But as I was saying, axolotls are not just passive inhabitants of their environment. Okay, they're active architects of the water world. Like, it can sound kind of weird, but hear me out. Their movements through the sediment help aerate the substrate, which is essential for the health of benthic organisms and the overall ecosystem. Like, if we have a problem with the axolotls, it's a clear sign that we have a problem with the ecosystem. Also, the doctor, Virginia Graw, she's an ecologist at UNAM. She explains that axolotls help maintain the physical structure of their habitat, which in turn supports a diverse range of aquatic life.